guys. Hi guys. Andito tayo nga sa Bray. Tingnan tayo ng sasakyan. Jeep Cherokee ito. Ang 60 nag hard start daw yung kanyang sasakyan during the morning, no? So titingnan natin kung anong problema ng kanyang sasakyan. Ito yung sasakyan na kinabitan natin dati about 9 months ago. New timing belt. Jeep Cherokee ito. 1.5 to. Jeep Cherokee. So, hi!
Akala ko, hindi ka na pupunta.
So what's the story?
Umaandar na kaso. Pag malamig na,
Hard start siya. Meron bang check engine light? Wala.
May mga lights.
No. Check engine light sa dashboard. Tingnan, buksan mo. Okay. And then start. Ba't nakabukas ka gajing ilaw?
Oo nga eh. Bakit kaya nakabukas? Dapat ba ilagay dito? Sa parking?
Dapat ganyan siguro.
Tapos mag-automatic yung mga lahat yan.
Anong automatic?
Yung mga sound, tapos ito.
Hindi, walang problema yan.
Walang problema? Yung ilaw, basta inano ko.
Wala namang, ilagay mo lang sa kanya.
Alam mo yung
Ilagay mo sa, patayin mo daw, tapos ilagay mo sa parking ilaw. Ilaw siya kaagad.
papatayin ko?
Oh, sige, patayin mo. And then, start mo. Lagay mo sa park. Lagay mo sa park. Tagal mo ng sasakyan, di mo pa nakikilala yung sasakyan mo.
Ganon talaga ang busy, ma'am.
Talaga.
Uy, at saka may problema ako. Alam mo yung pag nag-fifth gear ako, at saka 6th gear.
Patay mo sounds. Patay mo sounds.
Okay.
Anong problema fifth gear no?
Yung pag nag-fifth gear ako, at saka 6th gear, lumalabas yung alam mo yung parang tambutso dyan.
Tawag nito DPF yun. DPF. Kailangan lang natin ito i-regenerate.
Ano yung ibig sabihin?
Regeneration, yung para sasaksakan natin ng computer para regeneration like
i-reprogram mo parang ganun. Okay.
So and then kasi yung DPF baka
nag-order na ako ng yung sinasabi mo yung glue.
Yung glue plugs dahil pagka
pero
hard
battery
starting,
okay siya.
Okay yung battery niyan.
Dani is din.
Okay yung battery. Bukas daw yung
Yung?
Bukas mo yung hood. Buksan mo yung hood ng Ito bubuksan natin. Ito yung sasakyan na kinabitan natin ng timing belt about 9 months ago. So ang problema, nag-hard starting siya in the morning, especially cold morning, just because it has a glue plugs issue, no? Ang hard starting, it's a glue plugs. The glue plugs need to be changed. Okay. Kita mo ba? Yan. Sama. Tapa mo?
Yan, ito.
Okay. So, ang problema, kailangan mapalitan ng glue plugs dahil yun ang kanyang issue pagka mga hard starting. Ang glue plugs makikita dito ito yung kanyang glue plugs. Sa ilalim yan yung connection ng glue plugs. Sa ilalim yan yun ang pinaka glue plugs. Connection lang yan siya. Okay? Ito. Apat yan sila. Apat na glue plugs kailangan mapalitan. Okay? So bukas daw darating pero kukunin ko muna kung tama. Tapos saka kukunin mo muna, tapos saka mo ako i-message kung ready na. Kasi ikukumpara pa natin yung luma
Oo nga
at
eh.
saka bago. Kung talaga bang pareha sila ng height
Kalimutan
saka
ko na
sizes. Okay?
yung luma. Yung size, malaki yun ano.
So, maano natin yan. Kailangan muna natin makuha yung glue plugs. Glue plugs lang ang dahil ang
Oh, sige.
palitan yung glue plugs, okay?
Dapat ano
Patayin mo daw, i-check natin yung oil. Okay. Meron kang cloth? Meron kang pampunas?
kuhan.
Yung cloth, oh. Sige. Para ma-check natin yung oil. At saka yung kanyang coolant, mga kaibigan, is nasa tamang level, nasa maximum. Okay.
Loren, sana ka Dani?
Okay. Yung punas mo. Okay. Tingnan natin yung oil kung nasa tama pa bang level yung kanyang oil. Okay.
Could you bring him inside? It's really cold. Katatapos mo ng trabaho niya.
Okay.
Okay lang siya?
Kasi hindi na ganun kita eh. Nakita masyado. Ayos siya.
Ayos siya. Okay.
Ayos yung oil. Nasa gitna.
Okay.
Kasi mainit yung makina kaya nag-circulate yung oil. So tama lang yun.
Okay.
Okay? So text me kung makuha mo na yung glue plugs para kumpara natin yung bago at saka yung luma. Okay?
Tapos pag hindi palitan ulit.
Palitan ulit. Kailangan talaga yung perfect na talaga.
Saan ba yung sinasabi mong
Momediati ititest
sa Ford? Ford ba? Yung sinasabi mo? Supplier ng mga American cars?
American cars. Yung doon sa Tala pwede din.
Sa Tala?
Pwede kang sa Tala. Kukunin ko yung multimeter para malaman natin yung battery niya. Okay. So, check natin yung kanyang baterya. Kung may ilang percent na yung baterya niya. Kung may life ba yung baterya. Kukunin natin yung ating multimeter. Yung multimeter dito. Yung kanyang baterya. So, ilalagay natin yung ating battery sa 20 and then lagyan natin dito lagyan yung positive, makikita natin yung life ng battery. Battery is good. Okay, voltage. Ganyan ba to? Hawakan mo yung yan, hawakan mo ha. Okay. Ano pa naman yung baterya? Malakas pa siya.
Malakas pa, okay pa. Okay.
Okay. So, nothing to worry. It's only the glue plugs has to be changed. And then what it is? Okay.
Off mo bukas, no?
Opa ko bukas. Opa ko bukas pero meron akong titirahin na sasakyan. So, yan. That's 12.5 voltage. 12.5, 12.6. At least, hindi siya bababa sa 12. Pag bababa siya ng 12.
Palitan na, no?
Oo.
Okay.
Yan, charging na lang ang kulang yan. 12.5. So, that's still good. Okay?
Okay.
So, text me up pagka nandun
Ngayon
na
ko
yung
sana kukunin ilang oras na ba?
No, off na ngayon yung mga tao. Sarado na ngayon.
Sarado na.
Okay?
Okay, sige, salamat
Ha?
Text kita.
Okay. Okay, bye. So, maganda pa yung battery at 12.5. Cha-charge na lang yun. Cha-charge yung alternator para karga pa siya. So far so good. Yung kanyang oil is in a good level, and then battery is still good. 12.5 voltage, so it's a healthy battery. Just need to be charged. Alternator while running, and then yes. One of the reasons why the car is like hard start in the morning, just because the glow plugs is could be deteriorated, because glow plugs also has its own lifespan. So guys, ang glow plugs ay serviceable po ito. Glow plugs is also serviceable because once the car having an issue of the cold start issue, more or less the main reason is the glow plugs, because the glow plugs should be turning red hot once you turn on the key. Glow plugs should be turned on red hot in milliseconds. That means it's shorter than seconds. Milliseconds is shorter than seconds. So it should be turning red hot. But in this case, the glow plugs is like worn or deteriorated. No, that's why it's having a hard start. So need to change the glow plugs, guys, if your car is having a hard start problem, especially during the winter time. So other than that, could be battery kind of weak. If the battery is weak, voltage low, it also goes hard engine to turn over. So okay, and then that's the plugs issue on this car. So just to let you know that the Jeep Cherokee was the timing belt was changed about 9 months ago, 8 or 9 months ago. So it's almost a year now. It's new timing belt was installed on that thing. It's good to know she called us for the asking some question why the car is hard starting. So it's glow plugs issue, mga kaibigan. And thank you and bye bye.